Medicines are complex chemical mixtures. They are composed of a primary drug molecule that produces the beneficial effect, along with other carrier molecules added to aid in delivery and improve targeting to specific regions in the body. Within all the carriers, polyethylene glycols or PEGs are popular because of their advantages in terms of safety, biodegradability, and improved delivery. For example, you can find PEGs in pills, in some paracetamol or ibuprofen tablets, in eye drops for treatment of hay fever, or in injectable medicines for cancer or vaccination. In fact, most of current COVID-19 vaccines contain PEGs in some form. PEGs are polymers, and to understand what a polymer is, look at the center of the slide. Think of a polymer as a mixture of strings of bits with different length. Additionally, modifications in the final bit will compromise the pharmacological activity of the polymer. So what can go wrong? Degradation. If the polymer degrades, then undesirable impurities are introduced, and as well as possible chain cleavage, which will result into an altered drug delivery, compromising the treatment that reaches the patient. And as such, there is a need for innovative approaches that can unravel the mystery of the materials and tackle their characterization. The current approaches of characterization are as complex and challenging as finding a needle in a haystack, with issues found in the error of the calculation of the strings and a long time effort to find low-level impurities. So what do I do differently? I combine two instrumental techniques: supercritical fluid chromatography and mass spectrometry. On the lower left quadrant you can see how supercritical fluid chromatography uses hot and stressed carbon dioxide to pull apart the strings of the polymer, while mass spectrometry can be used to find the length of the strings and the final bits in there. The combination is an exciting revolution, as now the perspective of visualization changes from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions, and you will agree with me that's a game changer. With my approach, low-level impurities can be found at eyesight, and as a result, a more exact calculation of the distribution of the strings provided. If you want a takeaway message from this presentation is that my improved characterization of these materials will lead to better medicines for the benefit of the humankind. Thank you.